Yeah, so we're an industrial electrical contractor and automation company.
We install machines, service machines, look after everything machinery based, and everything in between.
Dalton's was started in 1966 by Dave, Bruce's father.
He definitely had a drive to build a really successful industrial company. Through surrounding himself with the right people and through the passion he had for industry and the skills that he had, he's definitely been successful in doing that.
We've got sort of 135 odd staff. It's a great team environment.
I've been here for 24 years and I've enjoyed it immensely.
Work with all my friends, work with interesting stuff, work with pretty cool customers, and every day's a pretty good day, man.
Everyone here is super friendly. Yeah, there's always someone to have a chat with if you need to talk about something. There's always someone to help you if you're stuck.
We work really hard to try and support our people and get them to understand that they're not just a number. You know, they're a really key part of the business. No matter what you do, you're equally important to us.
We've really focused on getting good people, training them well and retaining them.
It's a really supportive environment, a lot of input with your career development and just making sure you're generally happy in your job.
I came here saying, before I qualify, I want to win the challenge, and they said, great, we'll train you up. They trained me up, put time into me.
We work really hard on building culture and support for our teams.
It's an environment that people want to stay at, they want to be here, you know. They give you all the nice facilities to work with, and that's what they put first, and it shows, and it means that the people here, when they come here, they stay here.
When I first started, they only had men's shirts to wear and they were quite big and kind of ill-fitting, but it didn't take them too long to get us women's shirts, and things like that just make me really just feel respected, especially as a woman in trades.
A lot of people have become married, had families, and a real important part for us is having the family day every year. So we bring in bouncy castles and ice creams, and yeah, make sure everybody is part of the machine as well.
Bruce has been sort of a great mentor, I guess, for where I am in my role. He's really passionate about training.
He set up like this really great training area for us where they set certain days where we come in on work time and they just want us to train.
We've been managed to maybe make him a little bit more fluffy over the years and embrace the differences across the people, and that's helped to grow the culture. But Bruce is one of the most fairest people you'll actually meet and you'll actually ever get to work for. He's a good critter. He's a good critter. I've known Bruce now for probably 10 years. He's good. Professionally, he's an absolute wizard. And personally, he's a good dude. Door's always open. When I first met Bruce, he says to me, "Who the hell would ever hire you?" I mean, at the time I had like long hair, and I had stretched ears, and I was a bit of a young dude. And he's like, "Look at you, who the hell would ever hire you?" He offered me a job the next year.
Yeah, he's a good guy to work for. I think of him more as a mate than a boss.
You know, like I look up to all the managers here, and looking at Bruce and like what he's created, it's amazing. So I'd love to be able to get qualified and then kind of work my way up.
It feels cool to be part of an industry that we know is thriving, and Dalton is leading that charge. We're always expanding into the new areas, new technology, and I feel like we're in a team that is really going places.